Hey guys, so we have here today a Ford Everest single turbo 2.0 2021. Today I'm gonna do a power upgrade package for this car. The package include K&N air filter, which will help to bring more air into the engine, and RaceChip GTS. This one will plug into the turbo sensors, common rail sensors, to alter the signal. It will help to bring more power to the car. And this one here is the RaceChip XLR, helps to improve the throttle responsiveness of the car. So this basic bundle will bring a lot more fun when you drive on the road, better response and better speed of the car. So before installing everything, I'm gonna run the dyno test with the stock car to see how much it's got at the wheel with stock. Then after putting all this stuff into the car, I'm gonna run the dyno again to for you to see the effectiveness of the whole bundle. Okay, so let's do it now. Okay, the car is set up on the dyno now. I'm gonna run the test with the stock car. Engine has reached to normal operating temperature. So everything has been installed. RaceChip GTS over here, K&N air filter, and the RaceChip XLR inside the car. So I'm gonna run the dyno test again to see the effectiveness of the bundle. Let's do it, guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna test the car with all the bundle installed. We have here a RaceChip XLR. It's installed in this area. It's very convenient to adjust on the flight. So anytime you like, you can adjust it. One special thing about this throttle response chip is that when you let the car to the other to drive, or when you want to drive economically, you can adjust it to E or E+. It will increase the delay in the throttle, so the car will accelerate slowly. It's not gonna be really aggressive. Rồi về vô rồi. Hey guys, so here's the result after we install all the bundle together. stock. At wheel is 132 wheel horsepower, and after install it's got 164, so we get about 32 wheel horsepower gain. And torque, stock car has 333, and after we install it's 452, so it's about 119 Newton meter gain at the wheel. And all the torques and the horsepower come peak earlier than the stock car, about 200 RPM. As you can see here, the torque come pretty sharp, so definitely will bring more fun to the driving experience. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Passio Tuning channel. See you guys. Thank you.